I can see you over there again. I can see that raccoon that looked like somebody I don't know. That looked like somebody I don't know. Who is that? Who is that right there? That looked like that right there. Look like. Could have been that short one right there, Shorty. It could have been Shorty. You eat them pecans up there, raccoon eating them pecans up right down there. That little raccoon, he eat them pecans up. Are you the one that keeps running off? I think that's a raccoon. I'm gonna come out here about 10 times, and every time I open the door, raccoon runs off. There's a shoe right there, ain't it? That shoe right there. Huh? Cause I come right in, it look like Shorty right there to me. Look like Shorty right there to me. That look like that little tiny short one right there to me. It could have been Black Mark too. That could have been Black Mark. I'm not sure if that's Shorty or Black Mark. That raccoon right there, he loved them pecans. I got some grapes right here. Here. Come here. Come on. Here come 2 more of them. Come here. Stop. Stop that. Don't fight that. Come here. Well, come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come on. Come on. Y'all get up in there. There they are right there. They were hungry. They were whining. Stop that. Y'all want some grapes? Yeah. How about a grape? Stop that. Oh, that one right there on my left right there, he was doing some whining and groaning and moaning, honing and honing. Y'all stop pushing each other out of the way. That was a grape. That was a grape. That was a grape. That was a grape. He didn't like that grape. No, he found a grape. He's eating that grape. Here. Come here. I'm only about 3 feet from him. Let me see if I can get these grapes here. Here, come here. Here, come here. Here, come here. Yeah, there was another grape right down here somewhere, and I was looking for that grape I dropped. Come here. Well, I don't see that grape. Come on, get back up in there. Come on. Come here. Come on. He found another grape. He found that other grape. Come here. Come here. 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 Come here. Come here. I don't know who those raccoons were. Come here. I can see you right there. Come here. And that other raccoon, that one raccoon took off. They just right there. Right in the middle of the screen. Come on. Come here. I'm going to squat down right here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. I'm not sure who those raccoons were. They just right there. I could see them right there. Come on. Here he comes now. Come here. Get on up in here, come on. Hadn't seen y'all in 2 or 3 days. I hadn't seen you in 2 or 3 days. Could I walk over there where you're at? I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna stand up. I stood up. I stood up there, right there, Raccoon. I stood up. I stood up, Raccoon. Can I walk closer? I'm gonna take one more step to you. Here I come. Here I come. One step. That was one step right there. That was a whole step right there, Raccoon. Two whole steps. Two whole steps. Two whole steps, Raccoon. Two whole steps. That Raccoon, 2 whole steps. Can I come one more step closer? Can I come one more step right here closer? Come on. Get up in there. Come on. You good, Raccoon? Could I come a little bit closer to you? I was looking off down there to see if I could see anybody else down the road down there, Raccoon. That's that Raccoon, got that short face on him. Can I come one more step? He said, nope, one more step, he's gonna run. I'm gonna come one more step. I'm gonna come one more step, here I come. I about fell down, Raccoon. My hip didn't work, it didn't work right, Raccoon. Come here, come here. Come on, get back up in here, come on. I was just seeing how close I could get. There's some grapes in there too. He likes pecans. He really had them pecans. That he call you Shorty? I think that might be Shorty right there. That might be Shorty right there. Short. That old Raccoon right there, he's some kind of nice. That Raccoon, he's nice. He might be nice as they come. Where y'all been the last 2 or 3 days? Hadn't seen you. Where'd the other two go to? Y'all come up here moaning and groaning while I go. You want to chase that other Raccoon there, you was humping and grumping. That Raccoon does a lot of humping and grumping. He likes to grump. That's his favorite thing to do, is grump. He likes to moan and groan. That Raccoon right there, he's so nice. Got a small face on that Raccoon. His legs look short, but he could probably stand up and be big if he wanted to. I could hear a lot of smacking going on, Raccoon, a lot of smacking. That Raccoon right there. It might be 1:45, 1:30, something like that. What you looking at behind me? Don't tell me the boogeyman's behind me now. That boogeyman, he behind you. Don't look back there, the boogeyman back there. He might, boogeyman back there. He boogeyman. That Raccoon, he's looking. He didn't know if he seen something or not. He might have seen something he didn't know. It looked like it just got through raining not long ago. I think it's rained every night for the last 3 or 4 nights. That shows a lot of good eating you got going on right there, Raccoon. A lot of good stuff going on right there with that Raccoon. That's a lot of good eating right there. He was real good. I had to scratch my nose. Had to scratch my nose, Raccoon. That raccoon right there. Did you try some of them grapes? There's some grapes in there too. I put some grapes in there. I'm not sure who that raccoon is. Black spot, that you? Raccoon keeps looking behind me. Well, he's gone for a minute. All right. Oh God. My back and my hip is killing me this morning. Good God. Hard to walk, hard to stand up. Okay, stop this video, stop.